Sa isang episode sa PBB, kung saan nagbablog kayo para sa weekly sa story ni Margo, totoo ba na natawag mo na babe si Lela?
Thank you for that wonderful I believe it. Well, I mean, yes.
Hi, Sir Eric. We have souvenir po.
Ay, thank you. Sinishoot ko lang yung parang fair niyo.
I want to try our souvenir. Ha-liter po.
Ganda.
Hindi, bida-bida.
Pirma naman yung ganda. Ay! Lapit na yan.
Ibabalik kita sa buong buo. Pangako yun sa'yo lang ang puso ko.
Wala po natin ang rising
viewer ng Muntinlupa. Go! Why is that your favorite song now?
Sa isang episode sa PBB, kung saan nagbablog kayo para sa Wikita sa story ni Margo, totoo ba na natawag mo na babe si Lela?
Thank you for that wonderful
I believe in it. Well, I mean, yes. Kasi nung panahon na yun, kasi ayun, so kami yung gaganap sa parents ni Marco. So parang pinag-uusapan namin, how do we address each other? Kumbaga, so you were asking Marco, oh, how do your parents address each other? So parang acting ako na, okay, I'm Marco's dad, but I'm gonna call him. So ayun, I did call her B, but it was acting. It's like, tapos parang nararamdaman ko na, I felt like she didn't know I was acting. So kaya sabi ko, oh, sorry. So ayun po.
Lead a project. What type of project would you want? And who are the artists that you would want to work with?
So, thank you for that question. But, like sa akin, as an actor, I really want to work with as much people as possible. Depression ka ako. I want to work with as much.
Pwede natin ba sa ganito?
I want to work with as much actors as possible. Kasi, different actors, different experiences, you know. It's like having different friends, diba? You can't really stick to one friend your entire life. Unless that's what you want to do, right? Pero as an actor talaga, gusto ko talaga makatrabaho lahat. Kasi iba talaga yung style ng lahat, yung acting style ng lahat. There's so much you can learn from everybody. But, yeah, I guess I want to work with, fellow housemates, Lela, sila Anton, sila Marco, sila Crystal, sila Chris. They're all amazing actors and actresses. As in, like, from being with them sa loob ng bahay, na mga acting tasks na mga professional sila. And of course, yung mga legends, like sila Ate Nadine, Tita Piolo. I want to work with everybody. So, I'm open to anybody.
What type of project?
Hello po, ako po si Joaquin Arce at message ko sa mga fans, thank you so much for supporting me, thank you so much. Kasi kayo talaga yung main motivator ko, or isa sa mga main motivations ko sa buhay, sa line of work na to. So, live loud!